Dear friends, today I will show you the geometrical interpretation of a plus b plus c whole square. First we have written the identity that a plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. We will interpret it with the help of a paper cutting. Here you see, this is a paper cutting, right? Here, this is a square paper. Let the length of this paper from here to here is A, from here to here is B, and here to here is C. And here also you see, the length of this paper from here to here is A, from here to here is B, and here to here is C. Therefore, you can say that the area of this paper is length into breadth. Here you see the length is A plus B plus C, and breadth is also A plus B plus C. Therefore, the area of this paper is A plus B plus C whole square. That means the area of this paper is A plus B plus C whole square. Here you see, the length is A plus B plus C, and breadth is also A plus B plus C. Therefore, the area of this paper is A plus B plus C whole square. Now, if we mark here, this point is A. If we draw a line in this way, and the length of this part is B, we again draw a line here. In the same way, this is the length of A, we draw a line here, and if this one is B, we draw a line here, and getting this paper, right? Now, if we add all the area one by one, this is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is divided into 9 parts. Now, if we add all the 9 parts, we will get the area of this paper. Or if we cut it through the line, we will get 9 parts. And if we add all the parts, then we will get this paper, right? That means the area of this paper is A plus B plus C whole square. Let us find out the other parts. If we add all the parts, let us see. Now see, the length of this part is A and length of this part is A. Therefore, the area of this paper is A square, right? The area of this paper is A square. Now see this part. This length is B, this length is B, therefore the area of this paper is B square. Now you see this one, the length is C, this length is C, therefore it is C square. If we add all the 3 parts, it will be A square plus B square plus C square, right? Now here you see this part, this one. This breadth is B, right? And the length is A. Therefore, area of this paper is AB, right? Now, see here this part. This is B, this is A. Therefore, the area of this part is AB. Therefore, we are getting AB plus AB. That means we are getting 2AB, right? Now, here you see this part. This part you see, this one. This part, this is C and this is A. Therefore, the area of this part is CA. Here also you see, this is C, this length is A, therefore this part is CA. Therefore we are getting CA plus CA to CA, right? And you now see this part. Here you see, this part is B, this part is B, and this breadth is C. Therefore the area of this part is BC. And here you also see this part is B, and this is C. Therefore, this part is also BC. Therefore, we are getting BC plus BC to BC, right? That means if we divide this paper into 9 parts, we are getting A square plus B square plus C square plus AB plus AB to AB plus BC plus BC to BC plus CA to CA. Therefore, we can say that A plus B plus C whole square, we can write it here as A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Right? Therefore, we find that the area of this paper is same as a plus b plus c whole square we can write a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Let us again find out. Here you see the length of this paper is a plus b plus c. Here also see the breadth is also a plus b plus c. Therefore, the area of this paper is a plus b plus c whole square, right? And if we divide this paper into this way, that this length is a, therefore we draw a line here, right? This length is b, draw a line here. In the same way, this length is a, draw a line here. And from this line, from here to here, this is b, draw a line here. Then this paper is divided into 9 parts. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? Now, what are the area? Now you see this part. This is a square. This is b, b square. This is c, c square. Right? And you see this part. This part is b, this part is a. Therefore, the area of this part is ab. Here also see this part is b, this part is a. Therefore, the area of this part is ab. Right? Now here you see this part. This is b and this is c. Area of this part is bc. Here also see this is c, this is b. The area of this part is bc. And if you see this part this part, here you see this is c, this is a, it is ca. Here also this is c, this is a, ca. That means if we divide this paper into 9 parts, we are getting a square plus b square plus c square plus ab 2ab plus bc 2bc plus ca 2ca. Therefore, we prove here that the identity s plus b plus c whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.